bacon mac and cheese, which is absolutely delicious. And it is kid friendly, a crowd pleaser, the ultimate comfort food. Who doesn't love bacon? I'm using turkey bacon. So I have done a lot of prep work already so that it's not a super long video. I cooked some chicken and I already cooked the bacon, and I've got this pan good and hot. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So heat a good sized skillet and add 3 tablespoons of butter, okay, which I'm eyeballing. Okay, so let that butter melt. If your pan's hot, it's gonna melt fast. And once it melts, you can add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, so this is to make it kind of thick. This is nice and thick and creamy. Also, preheat your oven to 350 because this is gonna bake once it's all done. Okay, so mix the flour and the butter until it's smooth like a paste. Okay, yum yum. And then you're gonna add some heavy whipping cream. You could use milk or half and half, but I like heavy cream because it makes it extra creamy. So 1 cup of that, delicious. Okay, and you'll just keep mixing until that flour mixture dissolves and it's nice and smooth. And while that is heating and getting smooth, you can go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, it's getting nice and thick. And there's no lumps. So now we can add our cheeses, okay? We're using 3 different cheeses, and I'm gonna put about 1/2 cup of each, starting with a mild cheddar that's shredded. You could shred your own cheese also. So 1/2 cup of cheddar and some fresh Parmesan. Yummy. This looks like about 1/2 cup left. I'm gonna use the rest. And shredded mozzarella, my favorite, the Italian cheese. Okay, so it's really cheesy and delicious, right? Not necessarily a low-fat meal, but everything in moderation. All right, so we've got the yummy cheeses melting already, so just keep mixing until those are completely melted in. Okay. Ooey gooey cheesy yumminess. Next, ranch dressing. Why? Because it's delicious. Ranch makes everything good. So I have a buffalo chicken ziti recipe I make that also uses ranch, and it just adds an extra pop of flavor. So 1/2 cup, which I will go ahead and eyeball. Okay, just for extra creaminess. All right, get that mixed in. I wish I could do close-up shots, but I'm filming on my phone and I don't have another phone to film with, so hopefully you can see this a little bit. Okay, so creamy, delicious, amazing. Now I went ahead and cooked. I used about 6 chicken cutlets, which is the equivalent of about 3 chicken breasts. Just cooked them with some olive oil and salt and pepper and cut them up kind of small. And that goes into our cheesy goodness. Okay, just get it mixed in evenly. And that's it for the cooking part pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the baking dish that this is gonna go into. Okay, so I cooked a 12-ounce package of elbow pasta according to package directions. And I'm gonna put some more salt. We only put a teaspoon in with the cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle a teaspoon over the pasta because this is gonna make a good amount and we don't want it to be lacking in saltiness. So mix that around a little bit first. And then we can go ahead and pour our amazing chickeny cheesy goodness over the top. Okay, and just get the pasta all coated with the cheese. My kids go absolutely crazy for this recipe. First of all, they love anything with bacon. Second of all, we're talking mac and cheese with bacon and chicken. It doesn't get any better. Okay, so that's pretty coated and cheesy and amazing. I dropped a few pieces here. All right, next is our breadcrumb topping. So I have half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs. I get the Italian seasoned, and I melted a couple tablespoons of butter. Okay, 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Okay, give that a little mix. It's gonna be a little crumbly. Okay, and we're gonna sprinkle that over the top. Okay, as evenly as you can. All right. And I cooked and chopped 6 pieces of bacon. So I just cook it in a little bit of butter with some salt and pepper, and I cut it into decent sized pieces. I don't like them too small. Okay, and then that can go evenly on top. It's the best part right there. And if you're vegetarian, you could still make this recipe without the chicken, and you could use like the fake bacon. The Morningstar fake bacon, it's decent. We went through a phase where we ate that a lot when we were vegetarian. Okay, and so there it is. Ooh, ooh, and ooh. Bacon mac. So it's gonna go in the oven, 350 degrees for 30 minutes, uncovered, and then we're gonna just dive in and eat it. So there you have it. Quick, simple, easy, yummy. All right, the bacon mac and cheese is done and it smells incredible in here. So I would highly encourage you to make this scrumptious, cheesy, yummy meal. I'm gonna scoop some in a bowl. Ooh, yum. Lunch. It might be too hot to try, but you can just like, ooh, the cheese looks so good, so good. So remember that all my recipes are down below, so go out and make it and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Remember to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a video. And anything else am I forgetting? Oh, follow me on social media. And last but not least, have a wonderful day.